Hello everyone, my name is Deepak. Today's my topic is hypertension. Hypertension is donated by high blood pressure. It is a very common condition over a billion people in our world. It is a long-term force of the blood against arteries walls that it may eventually cause a severe health complication mainly related to heart disease. It is normally donated by two numbers 120 and 80. 120 is mainly systolic blood pressure when heart contracting. Diastolic is the blood pressure when heart is relaxing, often measured in a bronchial artery because if pressure high, they're high all over the blood. If pressure low in a bronchial artery, that was low in all over the body. Normal blood pressure in our body is less than 120 millimeter mercury or less than 80 millimeter mercury, whereas elevated blood pressure is between 120 to 129 millimeter mercury or less than 80 millimeter mercury. The stage 1 hypertension is where systolic blood pressure is 130 to 139 millimeter mercury or diastolic blood pressure is 80 to 89 millimeter mercury, where the stage 2 hypertension is where systolic blood pressure is more than 140 millimeter mercury or more than 90 millimeter mercury. As we all know, hypertension in which increase in systolic blood pressure or increase in diastolic blood pressure. In severe case, isolated systolic hypertension in which systolic blood pressure is very high and diastolic blood pressure is normal, whereas isolated diastolic hypertension is normal systolic blood pressure, but the diastolic pressure increase very high. This is the wall of our arteries. You can see when hypertensions occur, high blood pressure causes a wear and tear of the endothelial cells, which causes damage, which causes a myocardial infarction, aneurysm and stroke. Types of hypertension. The first most type of hypertension is primary hypertension. It is also called essential hypertension. It is a common type of hypertension. About 90 to 95% cases of hypertension are recognized as a primary hypertension. There is no clear cause of a primary or an essential hypertension. It is the result of a complex multi-factors disorders. As you can see, over a period of time, the pressure in the arteries are increases by that causes a damage to the epithelial cells of the arteries. Risk factor in the case of primary hypertension. Old age, obesity, salt heavy diet or secondary lifestyle may causes a risk of a primary hypertension, but except old age, other can be improved with lifestyle changes. Secondary hypertension, it is a condition the high blood pressure results due to the other diseases, example tumor, cardrenal adenoma or a pheochromocytoma, renal, endocrine and cardiac disorders, etc. Kidney play an important role in blood pressure. Low blood flow causes it secretes a hormone renin, which leads to retain more water, which causes increase more fluid volume in near arteries, which causes hypertension. Another that atherosclerosis, vasculitis, aortic dissection, fibromuscular dysplasia, especially in young women, causes the arteries thickness. Another cause, tumor. Tumor release excess aldosterone, which leads to retain more water and causes increase more fluid volume in near arteries, which causes hypertension. Hypertension crisis. If the blood pressure increases very high, very fast, is referred to as a hypertension crisis. It is also have two types: hypertension urgency or hypertension emergency. In both cases, the systolic and diastolic blood pressure goes very high. You can see 180 millimeter mercury, or diastolic more than 120 millimeter mercury. It is a very high blood pressure which causes a very dangerous situation for a heart. Hypertension urgency causes no damage to end organ, but hypertension emergency causes a danger to end organs like lungs, brains, heart, kidney, etc. Etiology or causes. It can be caused by many reasons. The most common reason is renal diseases like acute glomerulonephritis, chronic renal diseases, polycystic diseases, renal artery stenosis, renin producing tumor. Endocrine disorder, cardiovascular disorder, or neurological condition are the main cause of a hypertension, like hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, adrenocortical hyperfunctioning, cardiac disorder like increase in a cardiac output, rigidity of aorta, increase in intravascular volume, neurological disorder like surgery, sleep apnea, increase intrarenal production, etc. Pathogenesis of hypertension. If cardiac output is increased, so due to increase in cardiac output in hypertension causes. Renal. If sodium retention occurs due to more the blood flow in a nearby arteries due to water retention causes hypertension. CNS or brain disorder like abnormal panic attack, shock, sympathetic activity that increases the blood flow due to causes a hypertension. Gastrointestinal obesity, micronutrients like alcohol causes a hypertension. Genetic factors like angiotensin or GRAAME or a Liddle syndrome causes a hypertension. Endocrine. High amount of secretion of insulin, aldosterone causes a hypertension. Other factors like sex, age and stress causes hypertension. Signs and symptoms of a hypertension. A sign or symptom of a primary hypertension usually show no symptoms, so it is called a silent killer. Because of this, it affects later or over a long period of time, affects the arteries or wall of the arteries. Secondary hypertension shows symptoms like chest pain, confusion, ear, nose or buzzing, irregular heartbeat like arrhythmia, nose bleeding, exhaustion or a vision changes. Treatment or a clinical pharmacology. First line treatment is a lifestyle changes. Secondly, medication. Antihypertensions are ACE inhibitor, enalapril, ramipril, AT receptor blocker, losartan, valsartan, alpha adrenergic blocker, parazosin or a doxyzosine, beta adrenergic blocker, metoprolol or atenolol, alpha plus beta adrenergic blocker are carvedilol or a labetalol. Calcium channel blocker diltiazem or verapamil or amlodipine. Direct renin inhibitor alispirin or vasodilator hydralazine or a sodium nitrosamide. Diuretic thiazide, high ceiling or potassium sparing diuretics like high ceiling furosemide, spironolactone, amiloride or thiazide hydrochlorothiazide.